awardees for the different category for the 2010 Literacy Awards. We have from the AGO, awardee for literacy program, the FCF Minerals of Ronrono, Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya. From the local government units, we have the LGU of Ballesteros and Tuguegarao City. Wala po taga sa Tuguegarao City. From the institution of the Philippine Army, we have the PAARAL. Our dear education supervisors present, our DALSIs, our mobile teachers, our visitors from our brothers in the group of the indigenous people, our friends, and other stakeholders. Good afternoon once again. It is a delightful task for me to welcome the regional awardees of the 2010 National Literacy Awards. The National Literacy Awards is a form of advocacy and social mobilization for functional literacy development in the communities. It is also a forum to recognize individuals, institutions, and NGOs and local government units with outstanding literacy promotions and programs in their communities, especially in remote and far-flung places in the country. For this year's theme, Community Development, a Shared Responsibility to Society Through Literacy. Yes, it should always be a shared responsibility, for there can never be a successful community development if the people in the community are not literate. This afternoon, we are very happy to have with us our active supporters of literacy development, our local government units of Ballesteros and Tuguegarao City, the non-government organization of the FCF Minerals of Ronrono, Quezon, and the PAARAL program of the Philippine Army. They are coming. We are happy to have them this afternoon. For it is through the convergent effort